The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (Khadc) has said the Delimitation Committee will soon send a reply to the state government on the status of delimitation exercise. Recently, the government had written to the council asking it to submit the report of the Delimitation Committee at the earliest. Khadc Deputy CEM PN's aim told reporters they have received the government's letter informing that they had already communicated to the Delimitation Committee about the letter received from the state government. AIM said that the committee will reply to the government through the council on the status of the delimitation exercise. The term of the present House in Khadc has, as well as Janta Hills Autonomous District Council, will end on March 5th.
Delimitation Committee ikan junton jongka bakwa ban exercise ikanika new delimitation ban adjust ikishnong ha kikurusi papel ban nilai ban balance lagi ban number of electorate saman lagi kursi dia le se on this ground ru kasyong pada hak main juga bala la usu dainem ba kajunton kam some more time let's say juga state juga delimitation committee consider the ground number kalau atli kini orang ni, let's say dari kuat banlik election, dah kan new division, try ulah ban consider nak benda ka extension.
PHE Minister Marcus Marak has announced